my channel. Today we shall discuss some more questions which based on simplification. In the last video we have discussed the fundamental rules which will be used in order to solve the question on simplification. I hope everything is clear that we have discussed in some previous videos. So today we shall only discuss the question, and I hope that you will get everything without any doubt. So let us start our first question. So the first question is -4 simplify the following problems. And the first question is -4 multiplied by -22 multiplied by 4 and multiplied by -3. This is the given question. Now let's see how we shall solve. As I told you, we shall use here VBODMAS, that is V mole mass, where V stand for Venn bar, B stand for bracket, O stand for off, D stand for division, M stand for multiply, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. Since in this question there is no any Venn bar, so that we shall not use the term V. But here we can see that this question contains bracket. So first of all we shall solve the question. We shall solve the term which causes bracket, and we remove the bracket in the first step. So here we get first in the first two term, the both term having the sign minus. So when we multiply, then minus also multiply with minus, and in the first I told you when minus multiplied with minus become plus. So here we get 4 to the 8 and 4 to the 8, that is 88, and minus minus become plus, and plus did not to be right. In the next second two term we get 4 3 the 12, and when plus multiplied by minus become minus. Okay. Again in the next step, the 88 having the sign is plus, and 12 having the sign minus. So when plus and minus multiply give us minus, and 12 8 the 96, carry 9, 12 8 the 96, 96 and 9, 96 and 9 is 105. 105. Let's see, 88 multiplied by 12, 2 8 is 16, and 2 8 is 16. 8, 9. Okay, therefore 1056 minus 1056 is the right answer. Therefore minus 1056 is the right answer. Now let us see the solution once again. In the first two term, the both term have the sign minus. Therefore minus multiplied with minus give us plus. Therefore, it becomes plus, and 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, that is 88. So, in the first, we get plus 88. In the last term, one term is positive and the other is negative. So when positive integer multiplied with negative integer give the result as negative product. So here when we multiply 4 by 3 we get 12, and plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. In again here 88 is plus and 12 is minus. So when plus minus multiplied give us minus, and 88 multiplied by 12 give us 156. Therefore, minus 156 is 1056 is the right answer. Okay, so now let us see the next question. The next question is 72 divided over 9 multiplied by 8 minus 64. Okay, so this is the given question. Here we can see that the operations are division, multiply and subtraction. So according to the board marks, first of all we shall use the term of division. So here first we divide. So we write 72 upon 9 multiplied by 8 minus 64, and 9 is 9 and 9 is 72. So here we get 8 multiplied by 8 minus 64. Okay, here 9 is 72. So we get 8 multiplied by 8 and minus 64. Again, in the next step, we shall multiply. So here we get 8 is 64 minus 64. And at last, we shall subtract. So when we subtract, we get 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is the right answer. I hope this solution is clear to everyone, because there is nothing except the operation. So here we need not to remove any bracket and or changing the sign. So we can easily solve this. Now let's see some more advanced question. So the next question is the next question is 64 divided over 16 multiplied by minus 3 plus 2. Okay, here we can see that one term is negative integer and all other terms are positive, and also it has the sign of division, multiplication and addition. So first of all we shall solve the term which having the sign division after themselves. So here first we divide 64 by 16. Some of you think that there is bracket. So why we don't remove the bracket in the first step? The reason is that there is no any extra number within the bracket where we should solve the number which are inside the bracket. There is only one integer inside the bracket, which means that we have to just multiply and no more. So before multiplication we have to divide. Therefore we divide 64 by 16 and multiply by minus 3 plus 2. In the next 16 1 is 16 and 16 4 is 64. So here we get 4 multiplied by minus 3 plus 2, and here now we multiply. So when here we multiply, we remove the bracket and then positive integer multiplied with negative integer give us a product as negative integer. So here we get 4 3 the 12 and plus multiplied by minus is minus and plus 2. Now in the next we can see that the both integer having the different sign, that is one having minus sign and the other having the plus sign. Therefore they will be subtracted and give us a result as 12 minus 2 is 10 with the sign of greater. Since 12 is greater than 2 and 12 having the sign of minus, therefore here we write minus in front of 10 and therefore minus 10 is the right answer. Minus 10 is the right answer. Okay, so in this way we can solve the question in which division, multiplication also present with the bracket. Now let's see the next question. The question is minus 3 plus curly bracket minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1 bracket closed plus 3. Here we can see that there are some numbers which are inside the bracket, so that we shall solve first those numbers which present inside the bracket, and also we shall observe here what operations are also present. So here we can see that inside the bracket division and addition are present. So that here we shall first divide then add them. So here in the first step we get minus 3 plus, inside the bracket we write minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1 and plus 3. Okay. Now here 4 1 ja 4 and 4 1 ja 4. So we get minus 3 plus minus 1 plus 1 and plus 3. In the next step minus 3 plus minus 1 plus 1. They become cancelled out and give us result as 0 and plus 3. Again we get minus 3. 0 plus minus 3 will always give us minus 3 plus 3. So the first here we can see that minus 3 is added with plus 3 and both having the negative sign. So when 3 subtracted from minus 3 give us result as 0. Therefore 0 is our right answer. Therefore 0 is the right answer. Okay students, I hope that all solution is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention. I will clear every doubt in the next video. So we shall meet in the next video with some new questions. Till then, goodbye.